Hey guys, welcome to Nyonyacooking, your place for Asian comfort food. In this video, we are going to prepare a drink and therefore it's going to be a pretty short and simple recipe. And this is how to prepare green apple with Asam Boi. The base of this drink uses fresh green apple and also this preserved dried plum. So it's really delicious because it's refreshing from the green apple, and then you also get a bit of saltiness, sourness from this preserved plum, which is very popular in Malaysia. So I'm going to show you how to prepare this at home, and especially during summer, especially when it's grilling time, this drink goes really well because it's just so fantastic. So let's get on to preparing the drink. In a pan, I'm going to add sugar, and then we're going to increase the heat of the stove to medium heat until the sugar is almost melting. Once the sugar is almost melting, add water. Okay, this is the final result. You realize that the sugar has already melted in the water, it's dissolved, and that is what we want. So I'm just going to pour this and then we're going to let it sit to room temperature. Once the sugar has cooled down to room temperature, we can move on to blending the apples. So this is one whole green apple, and of course if you want the full ingredients to this recipe, head on to nyonyacooking.com, and that's where we are going to have all the information that you need. And then add sugar water or syrup into the apple. Now the syrup can be prepared one night before or a few days before. Just store it into the fridge. But for now, once we have it, we are going to blend this. That's about it. This is done. So I'm going to put this through a sieve just to get the juice. Very carefully. Before we pour the drink into a glass of ice, I just want to show you this is how Asam Boi looks like. It's slightly salty, also has a hint of sweetness, so it's really very interesting when you mix it together with the apple juice. So, in goes into the glass, and we're going to pour this in. This is basically how you make green apple juice with Asam Boi. Cheers! It's sweet, it's refreshing. Guys, try this out, and you get to taste the Asam Boi a little bit, but it's really just a hint of it. And as you let this Asam Boi stay in the drink, it seeps through, the flavor starts to come out even more, and that's why you get to taste a bit of saltiness too. So it's a very pretty interesting drink, and whoever created this drink, I think it's just brilliant. This is a fantastic summer drink, and of course, as usual, subscribe to this channel if you have not. Give me a thumbs up if you love this drink too, and if you haven't tried it, or if you have tried it, tell me in the comment section below, because I'd love to know how many of you know this drink. I love to order this in Malaysia, especially when the weather is freaking hot. So try this out, and of course, till the next video, I wish you happy cooking!